everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Hafani from the 13th to the 17th of October 2025 on Monday. Sabelo wakes everybody up to listen to his song on radio. Kaise feels like an intruder on her first day of moving in with the Zakalis. An old flame is ignited when Shugela bumps into a successful childhood friend on Tuesday. Macele start to become an obsessive mother hen over Kaise, and Dombi plays her last card hoping to get through to Zandile. Sindiswa walks in on a cozy sugar basin in Lalita and gets the wrong end of the stick on Wednesday. Sabelo sees the big opportunity with both arms. Sugar Basin attempt to salvage his relationship, but he has a lot of work to do. Tembi deals with trauma as Andile's bail hearing approaches on Thursday. Tembi fans of a threat from an enemy. Sabelo debut his first song without his sister, while Zandile takes the quest to find her father to up a notch on Friday. Tembi's poolside hangout 10 hours when Oli catches a fan snooping in her bedroom. Tsunami storms in with legal threats, but Sabelo tears his contract to shred and laugh in his face. Sindiswa confronts Sugar Basins about his ex, refusing to believe there is nothing left between them. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.